If your idea of biology involves just microscopes and petri dishes, you're in for a shock. Today, we're exploring how new tech is completely rewiring our understanding of life itself. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving deep into how cutting-edge technologies are reshaping biology. Imagine editing genes with the precision of a master artist, sketching out the future of medicine and environment conservation. That's what CRISPR technology is doing right now. Next up, organoids. These aren't just science fiction, they're tiny 3D models of human organs being used today to test drugs and study diseases in ways never thought possible before. And let's not forget about TALENs and ZFNs, tools that sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but are actually gene-editing technologies that allow scientists to make precise DNA modifications, paving the way for groundbreaking treatments and insights. In a world where these inventions are leading to pivotal discoveries, imagine the possibilities. A single gene-editing technique could one day eradicate inherited diseases or help restore a damaged ecosystem. The impact? Huge. From crafting personalized medicine tailored to your genetic makeup, to safeguarding biodiversity, the innovations in biology are not just changing the game, they're setting entirely new rules. Before you go, drop a comment with your thoughts on these incredible technological leaps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing updates from the world of biology. Together, let's keep exploring the endless possibilities shaping our future. Thanks for watching.